ना नारद रे ना रे माझा भाव तुझे चरणी माझा भाव तुझे चरणी माझा भाव तुझे चरणी तुझे रूप माझे नयनी तुझे रूप माझे नयनी माझा भाव तुझे चरणी सापडलो एकामेका सापडलो एकामेका जन्मोजन्मी नोहे सुटका नोहे सुटका माझा भाव तुझे चरणी त्वा मोडिली माझी माया त्वा मोडिली माझी माया त्वा मोडिली त्वा मोडिली माझी माया मी तो जडलो तुझ्या पाया मी तो जडलो तुझ्या पाया माझा भाव तुझे चरणी त्वामज मोकलिले विदेहि त्वामज मोकलिले विदेहि त्वामज मोकलिले विदेहि मी तुझ घातले हृदयी घातले हृदयी माझा भाव तुझे चरणी नामा म्हणे गासू जाणार नामा म्हणे गासू जाणार सांग कोणे ठगविले कोणा सांग कोणे ठगविले कोणा माझा भाव तुझे चरणी Namaskar, this is Ashish Ranade. Welcome to the series Abhangaranga, episode 3. We are trying to demonstrate the popular Abhangas which are originally sung by Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. In the last episode, we tried to understand what is exactly Abhanga means. Now today in this episode, we are understanding the thought behind understanding the rag base of a composition. We have started this series to understand the rag base or the melodies which are used to compose these popular abhangas. So, what is the need to understand a rag behind a composition? Why we should know a rag which is used to compose a composition or to compose a semi-classical composition or any song which we hear many times. So, when we know a rag base of the abhanga, it's very easy to understand the structure of the composition, because the person who has learned classical music or the person who knows the ragas or the families or the melodies behind a song understands the behavior or the phrases or the typical phrases of the ragas which are used in the composition. The second aspect to know the raga, the need to know the raga, is when we improvise a composition, when we try to improvise or when we try to explore a composition, we should know the family behind that composition, or we should know the raga behind that composition, so we can explore that composition in a better manner. So this is a basic need of a singer or who want to explore the abhangas or semi-classical compositions. They should try to understand the rag or the families of Indian classical music. Let's come to today's very popular abhanga, which we have taken to demonstrate, माझा भाव तुझे चरणी, which is again a very popular abhanga, which is again originally sung by Pandit Bhimsen Joshi ji, composed by Ram Phatak and lyrics by Sant Namdev. The rag base of the abhanga is Rag Bageshri. Now, what is Rag Bageshri? A very, very melodious rag and a madhyam dominant rag. Let's understand the family Aroha Avroha of Rag Bageshri. Sa Sa Ga Ma Dha Ni Sa Sa Ni Dha Ma Pa Da Ma Ga Ma Ga Re Sa. A Kafi Thaat rag which has Ga and Ni, Gandhar and Nisat are Komal, and as I said, it's a Madhyam dominant rag. So in the Tanpura, we have tuned a string to Ma. So Pa is also there in this rag, but it is used in this typical phrase Ma Pa Da Ma Ga Ma Ga Re Sa. The mood of the raga can be understood as a separation and the meet after a long duration or after the separation. Komal Gandhar is coming with a mood of separation, or viraha we can say. Saga. So this explains, or this comes with a mood of a little sadness or separation. And Dhaivat comes with a happy mood. Sa ga ma dha dha ma. So it's like the is saying we are meeting after so long, or we are meeting after so long duration, and the happiness of that meet. So sa ga ma da ni da ma da ma ni da ma pa da ga ma ga re sa. So let's understand the composition. माझा भाव तुझे चरणी, धनी सा निध पद निद मग रे मम. तुझे रूप माझे नयनी, मम मरे सानी रे गप मगरे सारे म पद. माझा भाव तुझे चरणी. So Sant Namdev describes the feeling of माझा भाव तुझे चरणी, तुझे रूप माझे नयनी, that we are no longer separate now, we are one only. माझा भाव तुझे चरणी, my all feelings are towards you, and तुझे रूप माझे नयनी. I can see you in my dreams, I can see you everywhere. Sant Namdev is talking to Vithala or God. माझा भाव तुझे चरणी. Let's come to the first charan. सापडलो एकामेका मगरे सारे निरे सानिधा धनी सागमम. So in this charan there is a surprise of Shuddha Gandhar which is not included in Bhageshri actually, but to describe this feeling, सापडलो एकामेका. So we are together now, I am in front of you. The meaning of this line is Sapadalo Ekameka, that we have come in front now and I cannot leave you. Janmo janmi nohe sutaka. We are not going to separate anymore now. Janmo janmi nohe sutaka, nohe sutaka. Sapadalo magare sasare nire sanidha ekameka dhani sagamama. Janmo janmi mapa madha nohe sutaka dhani dasa sa, nohe sutaka gagamare sa. माझा भाव तुझे चरणी. Second charan. त्वा मोडीली माझी माया, सानिध सा सा निसानिध सा सा. मी तो जडलो तुझे पाया, सा सारे निध ग ग ग रे सा. Again, the third charan is similar with the first charan. Tvamajamu kalile videhi sa sare nire sanida dhani sagare mama मी तुझ घातले हृदयी घातले हृदयी माप मध ध धनि द सा सा ग ग रे सा. So every time it is concluding with a komal gandhar down there. Sa sa ga. So this ga comes with a very emotional way of the composition. And the last charan, Nama mhane ga sujana. As the charan is saying that Sant Namdev has written this abhanga. Sa ni da sa sa ni sa ni da sa sa Sanga kone thagavile kuna Sare ni dha ga 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 re sa Sare ma pada माझा भाव तुझे चरणी धनि सा नि ध पद नि ध मगरे मम